All right, this is the GOPLANT rail light. It's an adjustable rail-mounted 1500 lumen LED white light and green laser combination light. It's pretty cool. You can use the lights individually or you can use them together. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And my opinion is it's pretty nice. It's well built. Comes in some nice packaging right here. You get the instructions, you get a little quick installation guide, you get a couple of tools in here for adjusting the laser and adjusting the rail. And it's also charged magnetically, and you get about a 2-foot cable on here. And the cool thing about this magnetic charger too is that while it's mounted on the rail, you can actually still charge it. You just magnetize it on there. A little indicator light comes on to tell you that it's charging. This is made to fit a Picatinny rail or a 1913 rail or a GL rail. It's made of aviation aluminum and it's Ip65 waterproof. The rail itself is adjustable, and you're going to want to make sure you loosen this screw first before you adjust it, just to be on the safe side. You got a little lever on here, you undo it, and this spring loads right here, and then you can adjust the screw. Buckle's adjustable too. You can push this in, slide it around, or just slide it into place however you like it. Once you get this adjusted to where you want, you can just lock it into place right on your rail. What's cool too is it has a double-sided switch design on it, and both of these switches do the same thing, so it works for lefties or righties. Got a little switch here on the bottom. You can do 3 different things with it. The first setting right here, so if you got it down here, you do laser only. Try not to put that right in the camera. You can do laser and light, or you can do light only. The 1500 lumen white light has an irradiation distance of up to 100 meters, and the laser itself has an irradiation distance of up to 500 meters. And they've given you the sound wrench right here, so you can sight this laser in up and down or left and right here. The light itself works 3 different ways. If you press it once, it's high white light. Then you can turn it off. If you press it twice, it turns into a strobe light. Turn it off. If you press it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, turns into a low level light and then turns off. So that's pretty cool. So it's a nice design. It's rechargeable. The lights are bright, and it appears to be pretty well built, made out of aviation aluminum. Love it.